Happy Diwali to all. So today we will learn how to make this beautiful table lamp using butter paper, or you can use wax paper also. Let's go. First take a full sheet of butter paper, fold it. This sheet is approx 50 and 75 centimeter long. So this is take the full sheet of butter paper which you purchased from the shop, then fold it exactly vertically. Fold it vertically. Now we'll do the 4 parts of this sheet. Now again do folding. This is one more folding. So here press it this side. Now we'll cut this exactly in the half. In this way you will get 2 parts folded in this way. Now we required 4 parts. Now this one also will fold exactly in the center. Open it and cut it here in the middle. So here you will get this type of 2 parts in this way. So keep it aside, and for this also we'll cut in the 2 different parts. So we'll get the 4 same parts of this rectangle shape. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now take some dried or this type of leaves, any type of leaves or flowers, petals you can take. Then open one part. Stick this with the help of Fevicol. So in this way randomly you can add these leaves. Now use some Fevicol on upper side also. And then close it from the other side. Now use iron from both the side. Make sure that this should not be too hot. In this way we added the leaves on all the 4 parts and iron it properly from both the sides. See, in this way we got this 4 different parts with the leaves pasted inside. The pattern should not be same, you can paste it randomly. Now we'll stick these papers together with the help of tinted paper. So here you can use any color tinted paper. I have this one color sheet. Now cut these sheets into 1, 2, 3 and 4. We required 4 strips. So the measurement will be from this point to this point, or it should be more than this point. The size is 25. This one is exact 25 centimeter. So I will take plus 2 centimeter more, that is 27, and will do this one. Together 3 centimeter. So this point will be 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter by 27 centimeter, we require 4 strips. So we are making with this tinted paper. We are taking tinted paper because this is a little bit thick paper. So here it is exact 27, marking it here. One more marking this side also. Now join this one. We wanted 4 strips. This is the height, and in the length we required 3 centimeter. Okay, these are the 3 centimeter distance. Now we'll join this. Now we'll cut this 4 strips properly. Height of this paper, my paper is 25. This height is 25. So I have taken plus 2 centimeter, that is 27, more than this. In this way we got the 4 same size strips. Now we'll join this paper with this strip. So here I will use Fevicol. Before that, I will fold this strip exactly in the center so that we can turn the corners properly. Again open it. Add some Fevicol on this strip. This should be exactly in the same line. In the same way, we'll do the next one. Here again, I am folding this exactly in the center vertically. Now open it. So here add the Fevicol. And paste it exactly. As you see here, I am not adding the Fevicol from the bottom side. Now the last one. This one we are going to do like a box. Okay, in this way. So the half part. Now the half part will be pasting here, and when we turn this one side, then we'll paste this side. Or we can do one thing. Just turn the entire portion and hold it here in the center. Make sure the Fevicol will not paste the bottom side. So for this you can do one thing. For safer side, we can keep one paper below here. Now I have added this one Fevicol, and now we'll paste it properly. Check with the top side also. Now this is our exact square. Now this one parts, the corners will fold properly. Now I've kept it straight. Now see this one, it will look like this, like a table lamp. We get this extra 2 centimeter here so that this can stand properly, exactly vertically. Wow. Now this line should be properly straight. So for this we need to add thick strips. Like for example, we can use cardboard or any mount board also we can use. They should be properly thick. Now before that you need to take this distance with the scale and approx you can take 1 thumb distance for the width, and the length take the same. Okay, so this one I checked with the scale. This one, my lamp length is, this one is 19th centimeter. So I will cut this strip into 19th by 2 centimeter. So we require 8 strips, 4 downside and 4 this side, upper side. Now we are ready with all the strips. The strip size is 19 by 2 centimeter because this size is 19. So first, before cutting these strips, you need to check this size of your lamp. Now add some Fevicol on one side and paste it on all the 8 sides in this way. See, now paste it from upper side, so this is exactly straight from the upper side. Now we'll same paste on the bottom part also. Okay, now we have done from all the 8 sides. Now it can stand properly stable, as you can see. Now we'll keep a light in this lamp. So in market you will get this type of diyas easily in any shop. So it has a battery. It's a battery operated light. It has a button. You just need to start this and keep it inside. See the result. It's beautiful. Happy Diwali to all. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Diwali to all.